going on, guys? We are making another video today. Today I actually got the engine for the RF900 here. I actually ordered it and it is in there ready to go. So that's what we're going to be working on today. Just a couple updates. Yes, I did shave my head. Me living in New York and everything, and all the barbershops being closed down, hair was getting a little long, and everything was supposed to open back up around like May 15th or so, and they just extended it to June 9th. So I was not going to live with shaggy hair, so I shaved it all off. Other thing is, you might notice I am recording on a new camera. Girlfriend got me a GoPro Hero 7, so we can definitely do more hands-on stuff. Quality is going to be better and things, but those are just a couple updates of what's been going on. I didn't upload in a while because I had to get that engine, but the engine is here. Now we are ready to put it in, so that's what we're going to be working on today. Let's get right to it. All right, so first steps first, gotta move this old engine out of the way. So let's take all of our rags and all the good stuff that we still want to hang on to, and we'll just kind of, and here's the cylinder heads that we don't really care about anymore. Hold those over yonder. Take these cool rags, put them over there. Oh, she's heavy. Oh, God damn. Oh, shoot. Oh my God. So that's just the bottom part. We're gonna have to lift the whole thing out of that box and then somehow lift it into there. All right, well, gotta put our big muscles on today. All right, we're gonna want to hang on to this. This little thing over there, try to, jeez. It's not a nice day outside, I'll tell you that. Alright, so probably the easiest way is to drag this over there, tilt it on its side. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. Oh, God. Oh, dude, it's facing the right way, too. Alright. Alright, so here goes nothing. Oh, wait, hold on. This is the good hardware for the engine mounts and whatnot. Just put those over yonder. Alright, engine, don't come flying out. We just want you... Oh, I forgot to, when I took that engine apart, I didn't drain the oil because I thought, oh man, this is good oil. I want to drain this out if the engine's still good. Oh, shoot. All right. Tilt this back. Luckily, I've got some towels here. What did I do? Did I I must have squished the oil filter or something. All right. Hold on. Clean up in aisle 3. I know you're supposed to drain the oil before you take an engine apart. I was trying to be cheap and save the oil if the engine was still good. And this is what you get. Come on. Oh, baby. All right. Well, she's on her side now. Now the fun part is just getting her out. Oh, she's packed in there. Okay. Yeah, let's get all this paper stuff out of here. We're just gonna shut this behind me for now. We'll play cleanup later. I'll tell you what though, compared to that engine, this engine is in pretty good shape. And I had him do a compression test before I even bought it. And he was, they all test around, oh shoot, hit my GoPro off, so they all test around 150. So that's a good sign. Oh, look at that. He even left the oil filter attached too. Oh, she came out. There we go. One new engine. All right. So she doesn't look too rough shape. Looks like someone would have replaced a couple components on this. But compared to our other engine, this one is miles ahead. Let's just start off by trying to get this thing under the bike. All right, so I can kind of pivot it on the... All right, come on. Oh, I got a lot of stuff hanging out in here. All right. Engine under the bike. Oh, come on. All this wiring and stuff's making it a little hard. Hopefully I don't use this whole roll, but I think it was only like $3 or something. If you don't watch my other videos, I also have a Honda Grom. That was kind of my first motorcycle, got me into bikes. Regardless of what you think about a Grom, whether it's too small, doesn't go fast enough, whatever, I encourage you to drive one because they are super fun. Alright, status update. Took a little break to finagle the jack stands and the jacks here. We got it in. Had to finagle, like I said, the jack stands and whatnot. But the bottom bolt right down there is through. So now I just got to wedge this bolt through. Then I can do the other ones. And whew, oh my God, I didn't think I was going to be able to do that. All right, so we got to put the nut on the end here. Let's see if we can get this on. All right. Now, the fun part is I gotta tighten that down. Get on there. Bingo. All right. I have to like tango around. Oh shoot. Did I leave my wrench over there? There we are. There it is. Okay. Oh shoot. All right, we're good to go. All right, so just a little status update here. I got the top bolt in. We just got to line up the spacers and stuff, which is giving me the hardest time, but engine's pretty much in. I just got to put the top engine mounting brackets and bolts in there, but these two are the hardest. These ones basically hold the engine in, and that side just kind of holds the top in. But yeah, we pretty much got it in here. I didn't think I was going to be able to do it. So let me line up this top bolt, and then we'll move on to our next part. So after some hard work and determination, we finally got the two bolts down there, the engine bolt things. Those are all installed, torqued down. Figured we'd show some action for this one. We got to do these top ones. Now luckily, in the manual it says you're not supposed to reuse the engine bolts, which it looks like we might have to, because the guy only sent me like, it's only one side. This looks like it's only just, got another side in here. Oh then. I mean, there's the old one. But I want to see. No? Alright. Well, looks like we're reusing the engine mounting bolts here. They go on like yonder. So two of the bolts go onto the bike. One of the bolt hangs on to the actual engine. Oh shoot, we might be in luck. Because these are supposed to be like self-locking. They say not to reuse them, but we're not keeping this bike for long, so we're just going to send it through. But basically on the other side, on the old engine, I snapped one of these, and this was like stuck inside there. And I was like, man, that's going to be a pain. So I was kind of glad, oh look, they gave us 2 bolts. Never mind, we don't got to, oh wait. This was the old bolt I picked up off the ground, I'm stupid. Bingo. Yeah, we're definitely going to jack this engine up because gotta line up those bolts. I think we've made plenty of progress today, and I think we might call it a day. You might think, man, you only put 2 bolts in the engine and it's not a lot. Well, listen, baby steps, baby steps. Ooh, all right. So I think we're gonna call this a stopping point. We did get the engine in with 1 person. That's more than I thought we were gonna accomplish today, and we made a big old mess in the process. So, but yeah, so that's gonna be it for this video. Stay tuned for the next one. We're gonna start doing all the small stuff, wiring, putting up all the spark plugs and stuff back in, ignition coils, oil, gas, all that fun stuff. I don't know if I'm gonna video all of it. Probably will make 1 more video putting it up, and if it takes too long, I'll probably just 1 video and then starting it. So that's gonna be it for this video. Stay tuned for the next one, and I'll see you guys soon.